Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen case lineup for your Google Pixel 6 and your Pixel 6 Pro. Now all of these cases you can get from online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $13.99 to $19.99. Alright, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now if you got a Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, these phones have 30-watt charging and they also have wireless charge. So you're going to need two accessories. First, we got the Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Pro. Now this one's going to run you $24.99. Now this is GaN gallium nitride certified, so it's 30% smaller and it's 30-watt charging. Now this is also a travel charger, so the prongs do fold up. All right, so let's check this one out. Okay, no beast mode necessary. Here we go. So inside, okay, GaN certified. File that to the side. And this is going to be your charging brick. Now, one of the things that I love about travel chargers is the fold-up prongs. All right, if you put one of these in your pocket and forget to fold it up, it's not going to be a good feeling. So the fold-up prongs, that's a nice touch. Matte feel on this, little Spigen branding. Again, 30 watts charging. Now, the next accessory you're going to need is a wireless charging pad. Now, this one's going to run you $22.99. This is also from Spigen. So this is what you're going to see me testing all of these cases out in the video. So let's go ahead and plug this one in. Okay, and we'll get started. All right, here it goes. Now, first thing we got to do is make sure that this wireless charging pad works. Okay. There it is. Wireless charger works. Okay. Now, the first case we got, the thin fit. Now, this one is going to run you $13.99. Okay, we got it for the 6 and the 6 Pro. Okay, flick of the wrist. Check this one out. Now, this is the thin fit. Classic Spigen case. Matte feel on this. No fingerprints. There's your buttons. Cutouts. Cutouts. Okay, so let's go ahead and slap this one on. Now, this is for the 6. Check this one out. Nice amount of razivity. Let's check the buttons. Okay, easy access to the buttons. Let's check the cutouts. All of the cutouts line up. And of course, let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. Now let's see how it looks on the 6 Pro. Flick of the wrist. Same thing. Okay, matte feel on this, no fingerprints. Minimum branding. Just gonna slap this one on. Okay, so let's check the razivity. Now these are the new thin fit cases, so now you have protection for the sides. Slam Boy certified. Let's check that wireless charge. There it is. Spigen thin fit, $13.99. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the liquid air. Now this one is going to run you $15.99. Okay. Flick of the wrist. Now this one, TPU style case. Got your web pattern on the inside. That's for shock absorption. There's your buttons. Cutouts. Cutouts. Okay. Nice grippy texture on the back. Just gonna slap this one on. Nice amount of razivity. Everything is protected. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, there it is. All of the cutouts line up. The camera's nice and recessed. And of course, here's your wireless charge. Now let's see how it looks on the 6. Okay, same thing. One of the things I love about this case, gives you that extra grip. Y'all know these are some slippery phones, so you're gonna need that. Okay, cutout on the top. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Easy presses. Wireless charge. This is the liquid air, $15.99. Next up, we got the rugged armor. Now this one is going to run you $15.99. Okay. Here it is. Now I love this case. Matte feel on this one. Y'all know how I feel about that carbon fiber. I love it. Spigen branding, web padding, shock absorption, buttons, cutouts. Okay, so we'll drop this one on the 6. Now all of these cases are easy to put on and off. Nice amount of razivity, everything is protected. Slamboy certified. Check that button. There it is. And of course, there's your wireless charge. Let's see how it looks on the Pro. Okay, flick of the wrist. Same thing. Slap this one on. Okay, now this one feels good in the hands, ladies. You know the procedures. I love it because you're getting no fingerprints and you're getting that carbon fiber. Buttons, there it is. Cutouts. Camera protection. Wireless charge. This is the Rugged Armor, $15.99. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Ultra Hybrid. Now this one is going to run you $15.99. Okay. Now this is the case that you get if you want to showcase that beautiful color of your phone. Shout out to Spigen, no more sticker struggles. Rah. Okay, this little pull tab was such a nice touch. Rah. Fully transparent style case. Hard shell TPU. Just gonna slap this one on. Look at that. Now you can see that beautiful color. Let's check the buttons. Easy presses. Let's check wireless charge. All right, there it is, wireless charge. Let's do that one more time. Okay. Make sure all of the cutouts line up. There's your camera protection. And the best thing about this case, it has that sticky feel to it. And everybody can see that beautiful color. And of course, it's Slamboy certified. Let's see how it looks on the 6. Okay, flick of the wrist. No sticker struggles. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. I know. Slaps right on. Beautiful. This is the case that I'm going to rock tonight. Let's hit the buttons. Okay. All that razivity. Everything is protected. Wireless charge. There it is. Beautiful. Ultra Hybrid, $15.99. Next up, we got my all-time favorite Spigen case, the Tough Armor. Now this one is going to run you $19.99. Okay. Flick of the wrist. Now this one is maximum protection. This is a 2-part style case. So TPU and hard shell. You got a kickstand. You got your foam inserts for shock absorption. And the kickstand does have a nice click. Listen to this click. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the mic. Let me try that again. It's hard to hear, but watch this. I'm gonna let me slap this on real quick so y'all can see for yourself. This one, okay? This case is maximum protection. It does add a little bit of extra weight, but it's that good weight. Look at your buttons. Now you got grippy pattern on this button for the power, so you automatically feel it. You're never gonna accidentally press volume up and down. I like that. Button works with no issues. This one is maximum razivity. Slamboy certified. Look how deep your camera's in there. All of the cutouts line up. And let's check wireless charge. There it is. This is the Spigen Tough Armor. This is my favorite case. I always say if you're gonna get 2 cases, get a Tough Armor for protection and get an Ultra Hybrid so you can showcase the color of your phone. Now let me show you how this kickstand looks. Go ahead and slap this one on. Same thing. Kickstand, bang, just like that. Watch your videos. When you finish, clicks into place. Let's check for flappage. No flappage on the kickstand. I love that grippy pattern on the button. Real nice. All right, so this is my favorite Spigen case, the Tough Armor, $19.99. Last up, we got the Slim Armor CS. Now this one is gonna run you $17.99. This is my favorite case that I use when I go out because now you don't have to bring a wallet. You can drop your driver's license and your credit card. right into the case. All right, the CS card slot. Now this one has the web pattern for shock absorption. There's your buttons, cutouts, and of course, the card slot. Now I love this case. Let me slap it on real quick. Okay, check the razivity on this one. Slamboy certified. Let's check the buttons. Okay, there's your buttons. Now with no cards in, let's check wireless charge. There it is. Now when you're ready to hit the town, I got my driver's license and my credit card. Slap them right in the back of the phone, just like that. Now when you're ready to hit the bar, there's my Cash App if y'all want to send me some money. Drop it in just like that. Let's see how it looks on the 6. Slim Armor CS. Okay, now I want to show y'all something too. Let's go ahead and drop this one on. Check the button. Camera is nice and deep. Full protection around all of the corners. All of the cutouts line up. There's your wireless charge. Let's make sure we got that on there. Let's see, are we getting wireless charge on the 6? All right, there it is. Wireless charge on the 6. Now let's check for flappage with this. Okay, that's maximum shakeage. No flappage, so you don't have to worry about your credit cards or your driver's license plopping out. So this is the Slim Armor CS, $17.99. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so this is the Spigen case lineup for your Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. All of these cases that you've seen, under 20 bucks. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat poison lap. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and pitch and be rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.